Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training program in Cross-Arm Chi Sao, how to defend the Reverse Lop Sao. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So this is a response to a Cross-Arm Chi Sao question. So it'll be under 2 programs now. We're going to start a fact program, frequently asked questions, and this will also be on the Don Chi Sao. So the question being asked was from Cross-Arm Chi Sao. Most people will take the Pak Sao and come in and push it across to strike. Some people, I'm not going to call it a cheat, but it's more of a Lop Sao, so they'll pull this down to come in. So in the case where they pull the arm down, the Wu Sao is really critical to cover the face. Simultaneously, what I want to do is I want to take a release step to cover that force coming in. Lao Sao around with the backhand, check and strike. So that'll be our first program too. He comes in, pulls it down, come over the top, 1 and 2. Come back, release, cover the lead, 1 and 2. One more time, coming through, come over. Now for me, I'm just going to push this arm down real quick. So as I Lao Sao around, if that hand comes up, remember the principles that we've covered. Touch one hand, look at the other, and again, the Chi Sao. If he tries to whip this hand in, this hand's going to give you a response. So I still have some forward energy, and I have to deal with that hand. So as he pulls this down, as I Lao Sao around, that hand comes in, the jut will come, utilizing the Lao Sao if I'm going to be outside. So again, coming through, I cover from here, he follows through from here, work my way in. So again, coming through, jut. Another variation to that can be same thing. As he pulls it down, comes in, he fires that hand, just come through with a Pak Sao punch, moving to the outside. Pulls the hand down, I check, Pak Sao, punch, Lop Sao to the outside.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.